Hello friends and welcome in this video. Today we are going to discuss the features which are available in Anypoint Studio 7.9.0 version. So I have downloaded it and tried it myself, and it surely has some cool features as compared to its previous versions. So let's quickly check out the major features here. So first feature of Anypoint Studio 7.9.0 version is on your screen at the moment, and which is the support to dark theme. So if you want to switch back to the original light theme, you can do it by clicking on this button. Once you click on this button, you need to restart Anypoint Studio to allow that theme to take its full effect. And same applies when you again switch back from the light theme to dark theme. Second feature which I wanted to show you is in the mapping features. So I already have this flow open created here, and I have few mappings in this transform message component. So if you click on this particular mapping, now we get the option to apply transformations, and it gives the list of different Dataweave functions which are available, and you don't have to write them manually as it was the case with the previous version. For example, if I want to, let me select something from this list. So let me select this particular function, and if I click on insert, so you can see it automatically creates this particular function for me, and I don't need to write anything to make it effective. That is automatically done in our Anypoint Studio. So if you are not familiar with Dataweave functions, or if you don't prefer to write them manually by typing it, then this feature is quite useful for you. Next feature is, if you click on this help, then this troubleshooting export tool is also provided here, and you can export all the required information, which can be very helpful in diagnostic part. Now the last feature that I wanted to show you is about support to API specification project. So if you click on new, it gives you option to create API specification project. So it will ask you your username and password for Anypoint platform, and let me give some project name, maybe test underscore flights, and it also gives the option to create the file type. I'm keeping it as RAML 1.0 and clicking it on finish. So this is an alternative to API designer on Anypoint platform, and it gives you all the features which are available in the designer portal. Of course, with one or two exceptions that I'll walk you through just in a few minutes. So you can see now this API design perspective is now added, and if I click on yes, then it opens this kind of a perspective which really helps us when we are creating the RAML definition. So let me copy one RAML template that I already have. So you can see it here that this also gives us this API console and mocking service. Currently mocking service is on, but we can switch it on by clicking over here. And the only difference here is that it does not have this auto completion feature which is available with in API designer. And the other feature is, in API designer you get the list of available options, so that is something not available here. But you have this API console available. You can write the RAML, you can create the mock for your service, and you can try those endpoints by yourself. And you also get this kind of a Git perspective, wherein you can commit your changes. You can see the revision with histories from one of these tabs. So it is quite useful feature if you want to do everything from Anypoint Studio, and you want to go to Anypoint platform. So that's it for today's video, and thank you for watching. you may want to subscribe to my channel so that you can get the regular updates about the videos that I post on my YouTube channel. And once again, thanks for watching.